Hi guys, welcome to coin.com. In this video clip I want to show you before and after installation for Suzuki Swift 2018-2019 model. Here is before installation for the original car dashboard system. Here is after installation for fully 10-inch Android multimedia system, 16 GB internal memory, 2 GB RAM, 2 USB output, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, online, offline GPS. You can download apps, you can play any format music. But some format maybe you need to download some app to run it. You can have the live video chat. You can download any apps in the Play Store. Dial and receive call. You can connect your mobile, iOS or Android mobile. Here you can connect your mobile to the Bluetooth. Dial and receive call, play music. Here is connected to mobile. Can play music next or previous. There is also you can here this dial pad. You can dial numbers, and this is plug and play. No need to cut wire or modification dashboard. This is steering wheel control will work directly. This no need to any additional cable. Mirror link iOS and Android. Subwoofer connection will support. Then also Android Audio and CarPlay we will support. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any question, please comment section below.